In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete an eBay account. If you've decided you no longer want to use eBay, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to follow each screen carefully so your request is submitted correctly. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for along the way. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account on the eBay website. Once you're on the main page, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your username. This will open the account menu where you can access the settings connected to your profile. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This takes you to the section where eBay manages your personal account preferences and account-related options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just stay on this page and look through the available account management choices. Next, find and click on Close Account. This is the option that starts the permanent account deletion process. eBay may guide you to a dedicated account closure page, which is where you'll confirm your intention to leave the platform. On the account closure page, you'll be asked to tell eBay why you're leaving. This is a normal part of the process, and it helps them categorize closure requests. Choose the reason that best matches your situation. After that, select a category from the available options. Take a moment here to make sure your selection is accurate, since the next options may depend on the category you choose. Once you've selected the category, click on the option that says, "I want to close my eBay account." This tells eBay that you want to move forward with permanently closing the account rather than exploring other support options. After that, click Submit. This sends your closure request to eBay. At this point, eBay may display additional information about what happens next, such as a waiting period, pending transactions, or account activity that could delay the closure. It's a good idea to read that page carefully before leaving. In general, make sure you've completed any outstanding purchases, sales, or payments tied to the account before expecting the deletion to be finalized. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your eBay account. If you're following along, just take your time with each page and double check your selections before submitting the final request.